Welcome back to our channel. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. Today we're going to talk about something exciting: potential and kinetic energy. These concepts are fundamental in physics and, believe it or not, they are responsible for the thrill and fun we experience on roller coasters. Let's discover how it all works. With their high speeds and bright colors, it might be hard to believe that roller coasters have been around for more than 200 years. However, since their beginning, the basic science behind them has remained the same. It's the science of forces, energy, and motion, known as physics. Like any other amusement park ride, roller coasters need energy to work. But what makes roller coasters unique is what happens to that energy. First, the cars of a roller coaster are pulled to the top of a steep slope by either a chain system or a machine called a winch. These machines need energy to work, but this energy doesn't just disappear. It is transformed and transferred to the cars of the roller coaster. What is this energy transformed into, and how is it transferred to the cars? An object sitting still at the top of a hill has stored energy due to its position. This position gives it the chance or potential to move down the hill. We call this stored energy potential energy. As the roller coaster cars are pulled up to their starting position, they are gaining potential energy. The higher the cars are pulled, the more potential energy they gain. And once there's enough potential energy, the fun begins. As the roller coaster cars zoom down the track, their potential energy is turned into another kind of energy. If potential energy is the energy of position, what do we call the energy of motion? Kinetic energy. Both this potential and kinetic energy rely on a fundamental force of the universe: gravity. When roller coaster cars go over the top of the ride's first hill, the force of gravity pulls them downwards, turning their potential energy into kinetic energy. And as the cars climb the next hill, the kinetic energy is turned back into potential energy, which is then released again as kinetic energy, and so on. Alternating between these two types of energy makes for an exhilarating ride. Next time you ride on or see a roller coaster, whether just going up and down hills or spiraling through turns at 60 miles per hour, you'll know a little more about how physics is turned into fun. Before you go, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. See you in the next video.